Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a sluggish Microsoft Store on your Windows PC, like apps refusing to update or pages not loading properly, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, we're diving into a simple fix, clearing the Microsoft Store cache. This quick process can resolve many common issues and get things running smoothly again. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, why bother clearing the cache? Over time, temporary files build up and can cause glitches. Don't worry, it's safe and won't delete your apps or data. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Make sure your PC is updated to the latest Windows version for the best results. Now, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This little shortcut is a gateway to all sorts of system tools. Step 2. In the Run window, type WS Reset and hit Enter. That's WS Reset, all lowercase. Windows will launch the WS Reset tool, which is specifically designed for this purpose. You might see a command prompt window open and close quickly, and then the Microsoft Store will automatically relaunch. Step 3. While this is happening, the tool is clearing the cache in the background. It usually takes just a minute or so. Once it's done, try opening the Microsoft Store again and see if everything works better. If you're on an older system or encounter any errors, you can also try restarting your PC afterward to ensure all changes take effect. That's it, super straightforward. By clearing the cache, you're essentially giving the Microsoft Store a fresh start, which can fix loading issues, improve performance, and prevent future crashes. Remember, if this doesn't solve your problem, it might be worth checking for other updates or running a system scan. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.